Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the power of patience and how it can help you recharge and come back even stronger. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and rushed. But remember, patience is not just about waiting. It's about how you act while you're waiting. It's about taking the time to recharge and come back better than ever. Patience is often viewed as a passive quality, but it is actually a powerful force. It allows you to remain steadfast in the face of adversity, enabling you to achieve their goals with poise and resilience. Throughout history, patience has been a key factor in many successes. For example, Mahatma Gandhi's nonviolent resistance required immense patience and ultimately led to India's independence. Such examples highlight patience as a strategic asset. Scientific research shows that patience is linked to brain function. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and self-control, plays a crucial role. This brain region helps you resist immediate impulses in favor of long-term benefits. Famous figures like Nelson Mandela exemplified patience. Mandela spent 27 years in prison, yet remained focused on his vision for a free South Africa. His unwavering patience and commitment were instrumental in ending apartheid and achieving equality. Patience significantly enhances decision-making. Taking the time to carefully consider options often leads to better outcomes. This deliberate approach reduces the likelihood of impulsive choices and errors, resulting in more thoughtful and effective decisions. Cultivating patience in everyday life involves mindfulness practices like deep breathing and meditation. These techniques help center your mind and reduce impulsive reactions, allowing you to respond thoughtfully to challenges rather than rushing to judgment. Emotional intelligence and patience are deeply intertwined. Patience allows you to manage your emotions effectively, fostering empathy and understanding in interactions. This emotional control helps build stronger, more meaningful relationships with those around you. Managing stress becomes easier with patience. By not reacting hastily to stressful situations, you can maintain a calm demeanor, think clearly, and develop effective solutions. This reduces overall stress levels and promotes a healthier mindset. Nurturing patience in personal relationships leads to deeper connections and mutual respect. By giving others the time and space to express themselves, you foster an environment of trust and understanding, which strengthens the bond between individuals. Recognizing impatience triggers starts with self-awareness. Identify situations that make you restless. Common triggers include long waits, slow progress, and unmet expectations. Understanding these can help you develop strategies to maintain composure and patience. In the workplace, patience boosts productivity by fostering thoughtful decision-making and reducing errors. It encourages a calm environment where employees feel valued and understood. This leads to improved collaboration, creativity, and overall job satisfaction. Patience and mindfulness are deeply connected. Mindfulness practices like meditation enhance your ability to stay present, reducing impulsivity and promoting patience. This mental clarity helps you respond to situations thoughtfully rather than reacting hastily. Creativity and innovation flourish with patience. Rushing can stifle original ideas, while patience allows for thorough exploration and refinement. It creates a space for inspiration to emerge, leading to more innovative and creative solutions. Patience is essential for self-discipline. It helps you stay committed to long-term goals despite setbacks. By practicing patience, you build resilience and the ability to delay gratification, which are key components of disciplined behavior. Patience fosters mental health by reducing stress, anxiety, and frustration. When you practice patience, you cultivate a calm mindset, which can combat negative emotions and promote overall well-being. Patience allows you to approach life's challenges with a clearer perspective. Teaching children the value of patience is essential for their emotional development. Through storytelling, games, and role modeling, children learn to delay gratification, manage disappointment, and develop resilience. These skills are crucial for their future success and happiness. Patience is vital in financial planning. It helps you save for long-term goals, invest wisely, and avoid impulsive decisions. By practicing patience, you can build financial stability, ensuring a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your family. Fitness and health goals require patience and perseverance. Progress often comes slowly, and maintaining motivation can be challenging. Patience will help you stay committed, encouraging consistent effort, and allowing time for the body to adapt and improve, resulting in lasting health benefits. Again, strengthening patience involves practical exercises like mindfulness meditation, deep breathing, and journaling. These activities will help you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions. Regular practice can transform impatience into a more composed and balanced approach to life's demands. In the digital age, managing instant gratification is essential. Patience here will help you resist the urge for immediate rewards, fostering better long-term decision-making and emotional well-being. By practicing patience, you will enhance your ability to navigate a fast-paced world. Inspirational quotes about patience remind us of its timeless value. Words from figures like Gandhi and Einstein highlight patience as a virtue that leads to success and inner peace. These quotes serve as powerful motivators in our daily lives. During challenging times, staying patient can be incredibly difficult, yet profoundly rewarding. In such moments, patience allows us to endure hardships with grace, providing the resilience needed to overcome obstacles. It helps us maintain hope and focus on positive outcomes. Cultural perspectives on patience reveal its universal importance. While some societies view patience as a form of strength, others see it as a path to wisdom. Understanding these varied perspectives can enrich our own practice of patience. Patience significantly impacts spiritual growth by fostering a deeper connection with our inner selves. It encourages mindfulness and acceptance, allowing us to navigate life's ups and downs with a calm, centered mind. This spiritual harmony enhances overall well-being. Patience is a cornerstone in resolving conflicts, allowing individuals to listen deeply and respond thoughtfully. It creates a space for understanding and empathy, paving the way for solutions that respect all parties involved and foster long-term harmony. By building stronger habits, patience serves as a steady force. It helps you to remain consistent in their efforts, enabling small, incremental changes that eventually lead to significant, long-lasting improvements in your personal and professional lives. Patience enhances learning outcomes by encouraging a growth mindset. It allows you to embrace challenges without fear, persist through difficulties, and absorb information more deeply, ultimately leading to a richer and more comprehensive understanding of subjects. The interplay between patience and perseverance is vital in overcoming obstacles. While perseverance drives continuous effort, patience ensures that you remain calm and composed, allowing you to navigate setbacks with grace and maintain focus on your long-term goals. Embracing patience as a lifelong skill transforms struggles into opportunities for growth. It fosters resilience, enhances relationships, and nurtures mental well-being, ensuring that you can face life's challenges with confidence and optimism, leading to a more fulfilling existence. A great way to practice patience is by taking time for yourself. Whether it's through meditation, reading a book, or simply enjoying nature, giving yourself the space to recharge is essential for your well-being. Remember, patience is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. It allows you to approach challenges with a clear mind and a positive attitude, leading to better outcomes in the long run. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed or impatient, take a step back, recharge yourself, and come back better than ever. Remember, patience is power. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for more motivational videos. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Please remember to subscribe.